MT9 Ultra Unpacking Introduction. Product Introduction, Operation and Connection Instructions. Comes with 2 straps. 1 woven strap and 1 silicone strap. Equipped with a wireless magnetic charger. Just stick it on for charging, very convenient. The first 3D OLED screen. Buckle design, strap installation is simple and convenient. No switch interface design. Added deletable function bar. Long press to change the dial. You can choose from a variety of dials. Swipe right for health data, heartbeat detection, sleep detection, weather forecast, and local music. Smooth honeycomb menu. Fluid vertical menu. More than a dozen sports functions to meet all your sports needs. Geomagnetic compass. Local music. You can listen to music without a mobile phone. Fast and Furious cars. Flying bird. Recording functions up to 2 hours. Clicking the power button is a background function. The left button is the third custom button. Long press to select product features according to your preferences.